Hey guys, I'm Near here, and today we have an unboxing from my friend Brian. I got a new tripod as I mentioned in two others of my videos, so I hope you like the new angle. It'll be way steadier. So, now, it was my friend Brian's birthday in school today, and as a goodie bag, he gave out these. A bag with a card saying Happy Birthday Brian, since it was his birthday. A bouncy ball with a happy face on it. I got the green one, and a Rubik's cube. So I was really excited about that. I have 16 cubes, so of course I'm a ginormous cuber. So let's just open it up. So this is more of an unbagging. I can't really seem to get that wire undone. Let's just see how that turns. I'm just gonna go get a pair of scissors and I'll be right back. Just wait about a minute or so. I'll be right back. Sorry if you heard any noise, but I was just getting the scissors. So let's just cut it out right off. Okay, so there we go. Let's cut the top right off. So here it is. So first, the card, Happy Birthday Brian. Now the ball. It's like a bouncy ball or something. Let me just put the scissors away. And the Rubik's cube. I've been waiting for this. Good thing to add to my collection. And also a good thing to put in the Oscars treasure chest once I get it. Oh wow! This is pretty good for a tiny cube like this. Most of the cubes I've seen which are tiny have not been able to turn this well. I mean, lockups occur when you're doing these kind of turns, but I mean F turns and U-turns, especially the U-turns. Let's try the D turns. A little stiff. So, but when you're doing the U-turns, they're pretty good. So this is actually not what I expected. Now let's just try corner cutting. I know it won't at all, but let's just try it. Okay, let's just try it. Yeah, it's not even cutting that much. So it has terrible corner cutting. And like this part right here, it's the best U-turning. So this has pretty good turning. Yep, this has pretty good turning. Actually, no, this was not the correct one. This edge is the one with good turning. Yeah. So this cube is pretty good. A little quick donut. So now I have 16 cubes that are not broken. My 6x6, which I unboxed on my channel, fell apart. So that includes 17, including the broken one. So here's what a donut looks like. Let's quickly solve it. Yeah, the R and the L turns are pretty stiff. The U perms are the smoothest out of all though. Like that. Okay, so yeah, let's try checkerboard. I'm not even gonna try doing a perm on this thing. It looks like it has a different color scheme. Yep, different color scheme. And here's what a checkerboard would look like. Beautiful. Now let's solve it. So it's a pretty nice cube. Other than the size, I like it. It's like a mini Rubik's 1.0, except it's just a tiny bit stiffer. So yeah, that is the unboxing from my friend Brian. The tiny Rubik's cube, the ball, whoops, and the card. So, Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'm doing Q&As now and challenges, so leave challenges and questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I want to get at least 50 by the end of March, at least 50 or at least 40. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.